Hello viewers, I'm Anish Grover and I'm a second year student at Thapar University. This video is about a project called IntelFlow. So what does it do? Let's see. We have a basic dashboard. What you can do is that you can upload a CSV file or an Excel file, or you can enter a Google Sheet URL. So what does it do? That it looks through that URL or brings out the file and previews that data for you. Now we've got a list of companies. What I can do is I can enter a personal prompt such as, for example, get me the email of, let's say, OpenAI. Pardon the case. But yeah, I have made this an additional feature is that I made this such that it can take multiple queries. So get me the email and CEO of Google. Let's just say that. Now, what does it do? That it extracts out the queries and that company and passes it to a search API. I'm using SERP for this. So when we do that, it returns an output in the format of a snippet, and it returns a JSON output, which is in the form of a snippet, a title, and a link. That is passed. It's a support email. I don't think we can find the actual email. Support email and CEO of Google. Now that response, the search API response is sent to the AI agent, which extracts the data and converts it into a structured format. Structured, I've made it to so that it turns into a structured JSON format, and I have passed that JSON format into a CSV file. As you can see, Google, we have the support email, query, company query, and result. We have downloadable CSV. So what are the key features? This can be used by businesses, this can be used by researchers to gain insights from by just entering a prompt, because normal searching in Google is, you can say, it's harder to find information with normal Google searches, but you can enhance them using prompting, using passing that prompt, by passing that prompt into, you can say, LLMs. I use Grok for this for the fast inference. Now the key features I would like to highlight are, first is the dashboard, and we've got SERP API and SERP API implementation, and we've got agent interaction. Now, what are the challenges I encountered? One of the major challenges was Google authentication. I still was not able to do the authentication part. And that's the reason I've used the links thing. You can enter the links to get that to preview the data. Now, the search thing you can also do for multiple companies, but I have limited it because in the free SERP API plan, there are limited API requests you can, there are only set amount of API requests you can make in a month. But yeah, there are and that's about it. Yeah, there are a lot of rooms for improvement, such as I will do the Google Auth integration. Firstly, the project must be pretty clear by now. The rooms of improvement I would like to highlight are the Google authentication. I will do that, and possibility to edit the data set which is submitted to it. Right now, I did not do this because there can be a lot of companies, and a data set which is entered can bring out, there can be issues such as merged cells. There can be cells which are merged, or there can be the issues such as choosing a column for the query or for the result. So that's the reason I have made out a different CSV which gives out the company query result, because I only save the data that I extract from the web. And to further enhance it, because as you can see that we can't get all kinds of emails, to further enhance it, we can use scrapers in this project. I did not yet, but yeah, this can be used in the future. So yeah, I would like to conclude that that's my project, and this can help researchers and businesses to gain insights from the web. Yeah, to go through the scripts I have, this is the data loader, which loads out the uploaded file and can load a Google Sheet. As you can see, I'm still trying to do the authentication thing, but there were some time constraints. I have also made an individual email finder which uses the patterns and turns and parses the email itself. But after that, I did that using an LLM, and yeah, I've got the upgrade data frame code. So yeah, thank you.